Right now, a piece of American rocket is falling toward the moon. No one is steering it. No one can stop it. In seconds, it will strike at 5,000 miles an hour. This isn't fiction. It's happening today, and for planetary scientists, it's the rarest kind of opportunity. A controlled experiment, delivered by accident. It began over a year ago, on a launch pad in Florida, a Falcon 9 rocket, roaring off the ground, carrying 2 lunar landers into the black. This was SpaceX's workhorse, reusable, reliable, flown dozens of times. But this mission's second stage was never coming home. High above Earth, the second stage fired one final time, flinging both lunar landers free. Mission accomplished, its job complete. But the spent rocket stage itself, 4 tons of dead metal, was left behind, tumbling in a long, silent orbit. For 18 months, it drifted, nudged, ever so slightly, by the gentle gravity of the Earth, the moon, even sunlight itself. Day by day, it picked up speed, and astronomers tracking it began to realize where it was actually headed. The math became undeniable. This wasn't drifting anymore. It was a collision course, aimed directly at the moon. Its target, a spot near the Einstein Crater, an ancient scar on the moon's far side, over 180 kilometers wide. At 7:35 in the morning, it happened, a silent flash, invisible to the naked eye. As the rocket vaporized on impact, a plume of debris rose nearly 100 kilometers above the surface, glittering silently before falling back to the dust. Here on Earth, in observatories across the Americas, scientists scrambled, hoping their telescopes had captured the flash in time. South Korea's Danuri spacecraft had passed nearby just moments before, its footage still locked away, under careful analysis. Days later, NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter would swing into position, ready to photograph the very ground where it struck. Because researchers already know the rocket's speed, its size, its exact point of impact. This is no longer an accident. It's a rare, controlled experiment, a chance to test exactly how an impact digs a crater and shakes a world. That knowledge has real value, helping engineers understand exactly how much rock and dust a lander might kick up. It could shape how we design safer landers, and someday, how we build the first permanent human outposts on the moon. This wasn't the first time something human-made has struck the moon. Since 1959, dozens of objects have crashed there. Some crashes were accidents. Many were deliberate, like NASA's LCROSS mission, sent crashing on purpose to search for water ice. The last confirmed accidental impact was in 2022. The leftover booster from a Chinese lunar mission, launched back in 2014. Space debris like this has been quietly piling up above our heads for well over half a century. It's a strange kind of legacy. Humanity's fingerprints scattered silently across a world we still barely understand. And now, this new crater near Einstein will become a case study. Proof that even mistakes can advance science. Within weeks, new images will arrive, before and after photographs revealing exactly how the moon absorbed the blow. For scientists, it's more than a curiosity. It's a rare window into how our closest neighbor was truly formed. 4.5 billion years ago, a violent collision may have created the moon itself. Now we're watching it happen again in miniature. One rocket, one accidental impact, and a reminder that even our mistakes in space can teach us something extraordinary. The next time you look up at the moon, remember, it's not just watching us. Now it's keeping score. Subscribe for more updates like this. Thank you for watching this.